Good morning, everybody. It's time for another shave. And for today's shave, we're going to be using Ariana and Evan's Rio de Janeiro. This is a soap that I got on a BST buy. I never heard of it. It's on the K2E base. And of course, as always, I don't know the scent notes, but I can tell you that the first note that I believe my nose is getting is sherry. So that's right up my alley. I love sherry, especially in Amarero. So I got the matching splash for this one. Looking forward to it. So it's gotta be somewhat refreshing, tropical, fruity. I don't know. We'll see. And for the brush, I'm going matchy with the Oumo Flama, I call it. It's a second-hand brush, so I have no clue. The knot, I don't know the knot. This one I got it from a different person that I usually buy them. I use Oumo, so I'm not really sure which one is it. But anyway, it's a badger knot. I dry loaded the heck out of it. So hopefully I don't have to go to the top, but we'll see. And for the razor today, I'm gonna be using the Yates Precision Manufacturing Merica TI with it's the Filoso blade, third use, I believe. So still working fine. They're working fine. I have almost 2 days of growth, so not much, but I skipped it yesterday. Take it easy. Oh, let's see how it goes. Should be good. I don't know. I'm not sure if I have K2E soaps from Peter. I probably have, but I haven't paid much attention to it. I know I have Legacy Ultima and the VR2. But I don't know if I had K2E. But it should be good. It's Peter, so I don't know if the creams are in K2E. I have the creams, but I don't know the base of them. Let me add some more water to the brush so it flows better. So hope everybody's doing well in this beautiful morning. It's what, like 6 in the morning? Something like that. Not terrible. Been awake since 2 in the morning, so. But I wait for the missus to go to work, so I can have my shaving without worrying about making too much noise. Some more water. We should be good. Now today is on work. It's an easy day unless something pops out, but yeah, only have one load. Only have one load for the moment. Now after tomorrow is gonna things pick up a little bit. But still not crazy enough. I think tomorrow is the craziest day because I have to be at 10 in the morning in a place, and then after that I have a far run. That far run is like 3 hours away. And then I have a short one after that. So it's not crazy, but the crazy part is the traffic. That's the only bad part. Because it's South Florida, and South Florida is a freaking nightmare. It's a freaking nightmare. I mainly get the cherry. Should be good. Yeah, looking very pasty. Shouldn't have problem with this one. Some more water. Yeah, look at that. Looking solid, which is to be expected from Peter. I think I'm getting kind of like a spiciness. But unfortunately, I cannot tell you. If I find the notes, I'm going to put it on the description like I've been doing lately. Because I'm special and I just, let's give my opinion raw without knowledge. Just going at it without knowing nothing. I don't even know how old this soap is, but it was new, never used. And look at the lather. Very pasty. Should be a good shave though. The Merica is not that aggressive. It's fairly mild. Let's give it a go. Let's see. Pretty good. Look at that creaminess. Very, very mild razor. It's really nice. I don't use it that much because, well, that's the problem when you have too many nice razors. Pretty nice first pass, which kind of expected because it's hard. It's hard to have it rough on the first pass. But that lather, holy mother, it's looking great. No problem. Already painted, good sheen. Let's see. Sorry. Still smooth. 3 shave-ins and still smooth. So the Filoso blades are working great. I'm not sure if I'm gonna buy it because they have way too many blades that already work. So but they work fine for me. For the other pass. Oh, let's go. Pretty smooth going across the neck. Now on the lower part is where I have the trouble because of my skin. Check for cleanup. Yeah. Very sleek as expected. Couple of nicks because I'm a savage. Nothing serious. Oh yeah, but he got everything. Nothing. Yeah, this is a BBS. 14 minutes. Not bad at all. Oopsie. I was in the microphone. Sorry. But anyway, time for the splash. Check it always. I'm expecting some burn because, yeah, it happens. No, not that it's terrible, but see nicks. You know, it was a close shave for sure. Oh. No burn at all, huh? I get cherry, mainly. There's some other stuff, but I don't know what they are. But man, that was a great shave. That was a great shave. Well, that's gotta be it for today. Thank you for watching as always. And I guess I'll see you on the next shave. Have a great day.